Hi, and welcome to German Skool.
I'm Anna,
And I'm Mark.
and we're here to help you learn German.
We'll make learning German fun.
Let's get started.
So, I'm about to learn German.
Correct.
I don't speak German.
I know.
I know like 5 words.
Which 5?
Hallo, Danke, Bier.
Classic.
This is going to be embarrassing, isn't it?
Very. Welcome to German Skool, a channel where we teach German in English.
To people who don't speak German.
Exactly. I'm Anna.
I'm Mark.
I speak German and English.
I speak English and a little bit of panic.
We'll work on that.
Will we though?
Maybe.
She's very assuring.
Let me show you what real German sounds like.
Oh no.
Ich bin Anna, ich komme ursprünglich aus Deutschland und ich spreche fließend Deutsch und Englisch. Ich liebe es, Leuten zu helfen, Deutsch zu lernen, besonders wenn sie absolut keine Ahnung haben.
I understood Anna.
That's a start.
Was that angry? It sounded aggressive.
That's just German.
Great. So I'm learning an aggressive language.
It's not aggressive, it's direct.
Sure.
I said, I'm Anna. I'm originally from Germany. I speak fluent German and English, and I love helping people learn German, especially when I have no idea what they're doing.
That last part was about me, wasn't it?
Maybe. So, Mark, why do you want to learn German?
Honestly,
Honestly?
I might move to Germany.
For work?
4, yeah. Maybe Berlin.
Good choice.
But I went there last year, and I couldn't order food.
What happened?
I walked into a bakery, panicked, pointed at bread, and left.
Did you get the bread?
I did, but I have no idea what I ordered.
That's actually very common.
Really?
Everyone does that at first.
That makes me feel better.
But if you'll live there, you'll need more than pointing.
Yeah, that's why I'm here.
And that's why we're doing this channel. Here's how German Skool works. Please.
Tell me it's easy.
It's not easy, but it's real.
Okay.
Every episode, we listen to a real German conversation.
Like at a bakery.
Exactly. At a bakery, at work, at a doctor, on the phone.
Real situations.
Real situations. No textbook nonsense like the dog eats the table.
Why do they do that?
No idea.
So I listen, I don't understand,
Correct.
then you explain it.
Exactly. We break it down word by word until it makes sense.
And I try not to cry.
We keep tissues nearby. This isn't a normal language course.
Thank God.
We don't do grammar charts.
I already love this.
We don't do boring drills.
Even better.
We just listen, react, explain, repeat.
Can I panic?
You will panic.
Good. I'm good at that.
And that's okay. Everyone panics at first.
Even you?
Even me. When I learned English.
Really?
Really. So if I can do it, you can do it.
I'm not convinced.
You will be. So if you're learning German,
Or thinking about learning German.
or you just moved to Germany and you're terrified,
Or you want to watch someone struggle in real time.
subscribe to German Skool.
We post every week.
Real German,
Real confusion.
real progress.
Hopefully.
Next episode, we're learning how to introduce yourself in German.
Wait, already?
Already.
Can I just prepare?
No.
Subscribe if you want to see me try to say my own name in German.
You won't fail. I will definitely fail.
Probably, but that's how you learn. German Skool, everyone. Pain disguised as education.